So I am going to show how you can paste a high resolution image and format the image in a paper. So this is, let's say we want to paste the image in this cap. Okay, so we sometimes assemble our images in the PowerPoint. So this is image 1 and image 2. We want to paste these two as if these are A and B. So first thing you want to do, you want to group them together. Okay, here we have grouped them. So now copy them, go to the document, go here, then go to paste. Here you go to paste special and then bitmap, then click OK. Okay, so this has come. So bitmap usually gives the most best resolution usually. Now the next thing you want to do, now the issue here is this image is fixed in the page like this, like a text. Okay, so you can just move things here and there, but this is not how you want to do when you want to do for a paper. So what do you do in the paper? So you click on this box right here. In some cases that box may not appear like that box may come like this wrap text. Either way, you click this top and bottom. So here if it is coming from this option, you go to top and bottom. Here if you go from here, you go to here and select the top and bottom. Okay, so now top and bottom option, what it does, you can move the figure the way you want to. Okay, and the text will adjust accordingly. Next thing you want to do, you want to add some more options here. So what do? You click on this, see more, and here this should be absolute position, and then lock anchor. Okay, so this ensures that this does not move the way unless you want it to move. Okay, so that's the lock anchor thing. Okay, the next thing is you have to put a figure legend. How do you do that? You right click on it, you do this insert caption, and you don't change anything here. Okay, you click and this text box appears. So you expand this slightly so that it matches the size of the figures on size of the text on both sides. This is editable and you can change it to the way you want to. So let's say you want to write this as figure 2 description of average RNA half-life. That's what this figure describes. Then you can describe A, what you want to do, whatever this figure describes. Figure description for A, and B similarly figure description for B. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to group this text box and this figure together. So you have, what do? You control and click on both of them. Okay, so you one more time, you first select this text box and control click it, and then control click the figure. You right click and group them together. Then again you see the anchor, the lock is gone, so you have to make sure that this is still top and bottom. Then you go to see more and make sure it's lock anchor, absolute position. Now the text box and the caption, so the caption and the figure are together locked here, so it will not move anywhere unless you move it. So now if you see, if you move it, the text will adjust itself. Okay, so that's how we put a figure for this text. So if you now each of this is individually movable, so if you want this figure to move, this will move the way you want to. If you want this one to move, this will move the way you want to, and if you want them to move together, this will also move like this. Okay, so that's how we put figure format figure in a paper.